Yo, welcome back TDF Crew to another TDF racing video. Now today is going to be a special video. We got an unboxing video coming today, so let's go ahead and hop to it. So, I was supposed to release another video I was supposed to release another video about a week ago, and in that video I went over some things. There's like an update on where I've been, what's up with the car. So unfortunately the footage for that video got deleted, so I wasn't able to upload it, but I'll just go over some of those things right now. So since the last video, I took the car to get re-inspected and it failed once again. This time it failed for faulty control arms. It was both sets in the front, upper and lower on left and right, and in the rear it was the upper control arms left and right. Also had a power steering leak and needed an alignment, right? But the main thing on that list, of course, was to order the control arms. So if you're not familiar, I did have to replace my left tie rod. Another thing I had to replace was my water pump pulley and the belts and all that. And pretty much all that stuff came from eBay. The pulley and the tie rod came from eBay. The belt, of course, came from AutoZone. But, you know, being that pretty much all the parts that I've gotten from my car, that like structural parts came from eBay, this is like a really big milestone for me. Right, so today we're actually unboxing legit parts, legit control arms, right? Coming from a company that I'm sure most of you are familiar with, and that company can only be FCP Euro. So if you're not familiar with FCP Euro, it's a company based out of, I believe, Milford, Connecticut. I believe it was founded in 2001. They specialize in sourcing parts for European car brands such as Volvo, Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, and of course BMW, which is why I shop there as well. So today, as I mentioned, we had some control arms in this box. Actually, I only ordered the upper front control arms and the upper rear control arms from FCP Euro. And since my parents paid for all of this, to save them a couple bucks, I found the lower control arms at AutoZone for cheaper. So I ended up getting those. But down the road, I could definitely see myself most likely replacing the lower front control arms with some FCP Euro parts as well. So it doesn't show my face, of course, because I kind of always have like a poker face. But I'm really excited for this. So I'm ready to get into this unboxing. So we're about to just get into this unboxing. All right, let's go. So, from this camera angle, I can't tell if you can see my face or not, but I guess it really doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on this time lapse. Y'all get to watch me struggle to open up this package. The moment of truth. Well, they got money for paper, that's for sure. So as I previously stated, order control arms, of course, the front uppers and the rear uppers. And I managed to get all of those control arms actually from a brand, TRW. I'm not really familiar with the brand TRW, but if I'm not mistaken, I think they produce like close to OEM parts, if not OEM parts is what they source. So all of these came from TRW, so just might as well go ahead and unbox them. So I don't know much about control arms, so I really don't know if these are like the right ones per se. I trust that they are, but just by the box size, I'm assuming these are the rears, the bigger boxes, and the smaller boxes are the uppers. So I'm gonna unbox this first one right here, which should be the, actually I have no clue. Alright, let's just open it up. See, I believe this is the rear upper control arm here. I don't know if it's take it out. Maybe I should take it out the back. I'm gonna take it out. I'm not gonna take all the way out the package, but I just want to show you. So, here it is. This is the left one. It's cool to have it labeled. So, I hope it's in the frame. It's a little closer look. Nice that they have them labeled. I think they all come labeled, like regardless of where they come, which is smart, so that you don't get it mixed up. People like me, you know. Ooh, nice greased bushing. Pretty cool. All right. So this, if I'm not mistaken, is the rear upper left control arm. Yeah. Put it back in the bag. This is a confession. I have like slight OCD, so I'm gonna put these back in here the way that I found it, just so my OCD don't wake me up later tonight. Oh, man, I really put that control arm in the wrong way. Okay, it's not that extreme. If I see something that's out of order, like I'm in the store and I see something that's out of order, I just fix it. Like I have a slight OCD. I haven't been diagnosed with it, but something slight. So I'm probably not even gonna leave this in the video. If I do, it's just gonna be time lapse. I'm just gonna check this one to make sure it's the right part. Yep, it's right. And one thing I've noticed so far, I don't really know why. I ordered these all individually instead of as a set. So yeah, I don't know, but this one, the one that I just unboxed and showed you all, it came with a nut and washer. This one in my hand did not. So I'm pretty sure I could just reuse the one off the car. Would have been nice to have a new one though, but yeah, we'll work it out. But yeah, it looks in pretty good shape. It looks like it's almost like a different product, but it's the same, which I really don't mind. As long as it's new, it came in good condition, it's nicely wrapped. See, this paper is actually cool, it has TRW on it. I don't even want to rip it. I'm gonna have to rip it tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, boom. It's the right part. That's the right upper rear control arm. Alright. Now let's get into these parts. Boom. I'm just gonna unbox this one right here. Alright, don't roast me too bad. I already told y'all I've never really seen a control arm. These things are huge compared to what I thought. That's crazy. Bigger the better, I guess. So this here is the front right control arm, right upper front control arm. This one actually did come with the Bolton washer. It's a really thick washer. That's cool though. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out the wrapper and give you a closer look. Oh wow. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so in the last clip, unfortunately my phone actually stopped recording. Believe it or not, I ran out of space somehow. I cleared some space up so I could finish recording this video. But yeah, I was in the process of showing you the control arm that I received from FCP Euro, which this is supposed to be the front upper control arm. Right? Front seems to the left upper control arm. And then I realized my phone was cutting off. I started to show you all the lower control arm that I got from AutoZone. And as you can see, the lower control arm is pretty much identical. The AutoZone lower is identical to the upper from FCP Euro. So I'm thinking I might have gotten the wrong part from AutoZone. But we'll worry about that tomorrow. I want to go ahead and talk about FCP Euro. Alright, so as I've already mentioned, FCP Euro is a very reputable, respected, as it should be, supplier when it comes to buying parts for a European car. As I mentioned, Volvo, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Audi, BMW, things of that nature. But I want to talk about some of the things that I enjoyed about my experience purchasing parts from FCP Euro. So actually, I don't remember exactly what day I ordered the parts, but my parents actually did pay for 2-day shipping, and it actually came on the day it was supposed to. There was no delays, came on time. That's definitely a big perk right there. There was no delays or anything like that. That's something that you always want to look for when you're buying packages, especially if you have a YouTube channel and you plan on documenting that process. So yeah, they came on time, but one thing that I really enjoyed about FCP Euro, just seeing how many other people use FCP Euro. I follow them on Instagram, seeing the other people that they may feature or something like that, or pictures that they have of their products and people using their products. I just thought that was really cool how they kind of connect with their customers on a different level than just sending them a part, sending them like a thank you letter or something like that. They actually sort of connect with them in a way. So I definitely thought that was cool. One of the main things that drew me to FCP Euro, besides of course hearing that they're a reputable and respected supplier like I mentioned before, was the fact that they have a lifetime warranty in a sense. So it says something about it on this paper that also came lifetime replacement guarantee. I'll just read it out loud. This is the last time you'll ever have to pay for the parts in this box. Use them up, wear them out, order a replacement, then send these parts back for a refund on your new order. So that's really cool because, as you can see, control arms definitely wear out. And I feel like control arms wear out more the more you use your car. It makes more sense that way. The more you do steering, all that good stuff. And it's cool that they plan to replace that part. It's like once you're a customer, you're always a customer in a sense, right? So something as simple as a control arm, buy one control arm and I have a lifetime warranty on it, that's like one of the coolest things I've seen in a long time. So that's definitely something that I appreciate about the company. And I don't know if anybody from there is watching this, but I appreciate whoever responded to me on Instagram. You know, I posted a picture on Instagram, which if you don't follow my Instagram, follow my Instagram. But yeah, I posted a picture on Instagram just to kind of update people who do follow me on Instagram, saying that I ordered some parts from FCP Euro, and I tagged them, and they actually responded within like a minute, less than a minute or so, saying thank you for your business. And it was a simple comment, simple business, but I thought it was really cool how they actually responded. I really wasn't expecting a response, especially not that soon. Sorry about that beeping sound. I really don't even know what that is, but just ignore it if you hear it again. But yeah, I wasn't expecting them to respond so soon. And when they responded, I kind of felt like I was like, yeah, I made the right decision with who I chose to buy my parts from. Not only are they respected, but they seem like they have a really friendly work environment, and they form a type of bond in a sense with their customers. It may not be like a friendship bond, like I'll call you today, something like that. But you're not just a customer when it comes to FCP Euro, and your parts aren't just parts. They're quality parts, and you're like an associate in a sense more than a customer, if that makes sense. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. This is just gonna be an unboxing, me talking about everything like that. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Thank you FCP Euro for the great customer service I received, and the parts that I received. Thank you for shipping them in so much paper, making sure they definitely didn't go anywhere. I definitely appreciate great packages. So thank you for that. Thank you for the on-time shipping, all that good stuff, for responding on YouTube. Wow, responding on Instagram. And as far as this mishap with the AutoZone parts go, actually tomorrow I was planning on putting these parts on. So I'll update you guys in the next video. Whenever I upload it, it'll be after this video for sure though. So whenever I upload it, I'll let you guys know what happened, what I had to do, if I was able to get the other control arms from AutoZone. Because the lower control arms, I'm pretty sure, based on the pictures that I've seen and research I did, they should be straight in a sense. That one was curved, had the little curve in it, like the upper control arms that I ordered from FCP Euro. So I'm pretty sure this is the wrong part, but it had lower control arm on the box, but it doesn't look like a lower control arm. So I was talking to my dad in the morning. It's actually like almost 4 o'clock right now, 4 o'clock in the morning I'm filming this. I wanted to make sure I got this done before tomorrow when we work on the car, so I could have a separate unboxing video for the channel. But yeah, I'll update you guys on what goes on with that. Alright, TDF gang, so my video keeps getting stopped between my phone worrying about storage running out and my phone actually dying. So this is actually like my 3rd or 4th time trying to film this outro. So I'm gonna try to make this quick so I can get this outro done and get this video finished so I can go to sleep. It's actually past 4 o'clock a.m. I really would recommend this for you all. So if you have the money to get something from FCP Euro, if you need something for your Volvo, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Audi, BMW, I would recommend getting it from FCP Euro. This is not sponsored. I'm just speaking from my own experience. I would definitely recommend this 10 times out of 10 to anybody in my situation. So once again, thank you all FCP Euro for that. If you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, I want to ask you right now to go ahead and hit that, I think it's a red button. Yeah, hit that red button, subscribe. Also hit the thumbs up button, like the video if you want. Drop a comment about whatever you want. You know, it could be anything. Just let me know who you are, something. Let me know anything I can do to make my videos better. Any comments you have, preferably nice ones. I want to know who my supporters are, so I would appreciate it all. I'm trying to get this intro done quick, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you later, TDF gang.